Hello everyone. Today I will tell you guys how to create your own videos, video tutorials, or you can add multiple places over here to in your videos. So what basically happens is I would be using OBS Studio, which is an open source freeware tool which you can download from Google or whatever browser you can use. You just have to write OBS Studio and a link would be open, that is OBS Broadcaster software. There are three versions, like three different installation files available for Windows, Mac operating system and Linux. For Linux, there are a set of commands that you will have to run. When you click on Linux, it has given the whole directory. As I am already using Windows, so I will be using the Windows version. I have already installed this file, and when you click on Windows version, you will pick the file and save it. I have already downloaded it in D folder, and this is my installer file. Once the file is downloaded, I will double click and run it, and after successfully clicking next, which you guys are already aware about, you will be able to open the screen. Okay, so as you can see, this is a OBS Studio, in which what I have done is I have added the screen. My OBS Studio is currently set to capture the screen that I am currently viewing. So as I am currently viewing OBS Studio, so this screen is visible to you guys. Okay, so here we can add sources, different sources we have opted for, and this mixer, this is scene transition, and there is option to start and stop record. So this is the basic version, and I will tell you now. There are few things that we need to consider while creating a OBS video, creating a video using a OBS Studio. So what happens is, firstly, you would be using display capture. Okay, once you open your OBS Studio, you will click on display capture, you will give it a name, display capture, and you will click on OK. Once you click on OK, this display capture would come into the sources option of the OBS Studio. This will capture the current screen that you are viewing. Then the second thing you will be adding is your mic. I am creating a video in which I am using my Windows screen and audio. Aside from this, so for mic, I have used audio input capture, and this was mic OX existing. So add audio input capture, you can select and then select your device in which you have connected as a mic. Once you have connected this mic and display capture, now you can, if you wish to, it's not compulsory, you can also add a media source like music, background music, so that your videos that you shoot or the tutorials that you create is in its tutorial. So I have also added a media source in which what I have done is, adding into media source, you have to click on media source. There is an option, right? Media source. You will click on media source, you will click on OK, then you will have to choose a file that will be an MP3 file that will be played as a background music. You can click on loop if you want to play that music again and again until you are recording your video. So you will click on OK and your video source will be added. Remember, take one thing into consideration, that the media files that you will be using or MP3 files don't have any copyright issues. So like media source 2 is added, and I currently don't need it, so I would be removing it. you can add to plus, you can remove to minus. But when you will be creating this video, you see that there is a lot of background noise that would be come into your videos, which is not a very pleasing to viewers, or you wouldn't want to have that in. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to add filters. You will click on mic viewers, go here and click on filter section. I have already added noise suppression, noise gate, and either I can remove it or show you again, or actually I think you can handle this noise. So what I will be doing is I will tell you how I did that. For noise suppression part, I added it to minus 60 decibels. As you can see, my VX is giving you the range in which your sound is varying. Okay, so for adding noise suppression, you have to click on add, you have to click on noise suppression, and you will define the suppression level. I have set it to 60 decibels. You can try experimenting and playing with it. For 60 decibel, it gives a decent quality, I would say. Actually, you can hear what I'm trying to say at least. And for noise gate, you have to set the noise gate as such as that if I'm like removing the noise gate and let's see, one second. So for my UX, when I'm not speaking, you have to see what is the range in which this signal, green signal, you can see. When I'm not speaking, it should go to 0. Like, see this. My OUX was on 0 level when I wasn't speaking, right? So you have to see in your system that your mic OUX level varies within which range while you are not speaking. So you have to set your gate to a decibel range which it should capture. Like I have set the upper limit to 38 and lower limit to minus 20 dB. You can set as per your system configurations. Okay, so basically we try to remove the sound that is being inculcated, which we want to remove. Okay. Now earlier I had told you how to add the media source, right? So you can control the sound of the media source through this. Like while you are speaking, and now when you are not speaking, you are showing in display only. You can increase the media source sound, that is the background sound. Or when you are speaking something important, you can just reduce it so that only what you are speaking is very clear. Or you can keep it in light moderation throughout your video at a context the same level. It depends on you. Okay, but remember that there shouldn't be a copyright infringement because that might lead to serious issues. So this is it and I think I have stated enough information about the OBS Studios and how to create a video. Once you have created everything, you can click on stop recording and use that video as a tutorial or anything. Okay? Thank you.